Hey everyone, so you've got your CompTIA Security Plus, maybe even the Google Cybersecurity certification, and you're sending out resumes like crazy, but no interviews, no job offers, just cricket. Does this sound familiar? And why is it so hard to land a cybersecurity job? Hi everyone, I'm Luke, a recruiter and career coach with over 14 years experience finding candidates a job, and I see this struggle every day. Now in this video, I'm pulling back the curtain on why your certifications aren't getting you hired and sharing 5 insider tips to help you stand out to hiring managers. Quick question. Have you ever been ghosted after applying for a job? Well, drop a yep in the comments and let's get started. So let's start off. Why cybersecurity jobs are so hard to land? Well, as a recruiter, I talk to hiring managers often. And let me tell you, landing a cybersecurity job can be like trying to crack a vault. Candidates apply to entry-level roles only to see requirements like 3 years of experience or multiple certifications needed or expertise in cloud security. It's wild. I've seen postings for junior analysts asking for CISSP, something even seasoned pros sweat over. So what's going on? Well, let's break down the top reasons why you may not be getting hired. First, the competition is fierce. It really is. There are lots of people out there trying to do what you're doing, get a job in cybersecurity. The field is booming, the salaries are great. So being quite honest, the competition is fierce, but thousands of people are getting certified every year. So your resume is one in a stack of hundreds. Now, second, job postings are often misleading. Entry-level roles aren't always entry-level. Companies list dream requirements, hoping for unicorns who can do it all. Let me know if this sounds familiar to you. I'm keen to hear. Third, certifications just aren't enough. I see candidates with Security Plus or CE8, but hiring managers want proof you can use tools like Splunk or Wireshark in real scenarios. And finally, networking is critical. Many jobs are filled through referrals before they even hit job boards. Candidates who apply online, possibly they're missing out. But don't worry, I'm not here to depress you. Coming up, I'm sharing 5 recruiter approved strategies to get your foot in the door. These are the things hiring managers tell me they wish candidates knew. But first, let's talk about what I see candidates doing wrong. As a recruiter, I review tons of applications and I do notice patterns. See, many candidates make the same mistake and it's not their fault. They just don't know any better. For example, I see resumes that list certifications, but they don't show how those skills actually apply. So if you've got Security Plus, make sure you mention a project where you've used it, even if it's in a lab. Don't just put Security Plus. And another big one, candidates apply to jobs without tailoring their resume. And this one I can never get my head around. I can't stress enough, tailor your resume. It makes such a difference. Hiring managers use software to scan for keywords like incident response or firewall. So no keywords, your resume gets trashed. And then there's the interview trap. I've seen brilliant candidates freeze when asked, walk me through a phishing response. They know the theory, but they haven't practiced explaining it. Now, these mistakes are fixable, but they're keeping great people from getting hired, and I'm seeing it all the time. The good news though, you can turn this around with the right approach. Now stick with me because I'm sharing the exact steps to make hiring managers notice you. Now, what's the toughest part of your job search? Drop it in the comments. I'm reading every one and can share some extra tips. So now, let's move on. Here's where it gets good. Let's talk about 5 insider tips to get hired. As a recruiter, I know what makes a candidate stand out. So these 5 tips are what I tell everyone I work with, from newbies to career switchers. They're practical, they're durable, and they'll help you get that cybersecurity job. So let's dive in. Tip 1, show you can do the job. Hiring managers love candidates who've used tools like Kali Linux, Wireshark or Splunk. You don't need a job to learn this. Set up a free home lab with VirtualBox and follow online tutorials. Platforms like TryHackMe or HackTheBox are fantastic for practicing real-world skills. I had a candidate who added network scanning with Nmap to their resume after doing TryHackMe labs, and it got them an interview. And that's the kind of thing that catches on. Remember, if you can add these skills and get an interview, you're one step closer. You need to be in front of the hiring manager to have a chance of getting the job. Okay, tip 2, find experience. Even if it's not a cybersecurity title, entry-level roles want some background, so get creative. Volunteer to secure a small business's network or contribute to open source projects on GitHub, or even take an IT help desk job. I've seen candidates move from help desk to security analyst in under a year by learning Active Directory or Network Basic. I've actually done a video talking about how to go in from help desk to cybersecurity, so check that out. Now, these roles teach you the foundations hiring managers look for. Okay, tip 3, make your resume and LinkedIn recruiter friendly. Tailor every resume to the job using exact phrases from the posting like SIEM or threat analysis. I've seen candidates get rejected many times because their resume didn't match the job description's keyword. Now on LinkedIn, make sure you add a professional photo, list your certifications, and share any small wins you've done, like a lab you've completed. One candidate posted about their home lab on LinkedIn and hiring manager reached out. It does work. Tip 4, network like a pro. As you've probably seen on many of my videos, if you've watched them, I'm always talking about networking. So many cybersecurity jobs are filled straight through direct referrals. Make sure you attend events, even virtual ones. They're often cheap or free. Online, engage on X or LinkedIn by commenting on posts from cybersecurity leaders. Try and get noticed. I know a candidate who got a job after tweeting about a Try Hack Me challenge and tagging a company. Build relationships and doors will open for you. Keep with it, don't give up. And finally, tip 5, now your interviews. Practice technical questions like, how do you handle a ransomware attack? Use free tools like ChatGPT to generate mock questions and rehearse out loud. Also, research the company's tech stack. Do they use AWS? If they do, mention it. Make sure you show you're prepared and passionate and you'll stand out in your interview. Which tip are you trying first? Let me know in the comments, I'm really curious. Before we move on, I want to share something with you. As a recruiter, I love helping candidates like you land their dream cybersecurity jobs, and I offer one-to-one private coaching to make it happen. Whether you need help tailoring your resume, practicing tough interview questions, or even building a job strategy search, I'm here to guide you every step of the way. I've helped people go from stuck to hired, and I'd love to help you too. So if you want to learn more, I'm leaving a link to my calendar in the description. Feel free to book an exploratory call. We'll chat about your goals. Absolutely no pressure, just a conversation to see how I might be able to support you. So check it out. Okay, back to the video. Let's talk about mindset and persistence. As a recruiter, I know job hunting can feel like a roller coaster. Rejections sting, they really do. And it's easy to think you're not cut out for cybersecurity, but don't give up. Every application, every interview is progress. I've seen candidates go from 0 callback to multiple offers by staying consistent and learning from feedback. Cybersecurity is always evolving, so make sure you keep upskilling and applying the jobs. The right role is out there for you. Hiring managers want passionate, prepared candidates. So use these tips, stay resilient, and you will get noticed. I've seen it happen time and time again. Candidates who keep pushing forward do eventually land the job. So that's it for today. To recap, certifications are just the start. Build hands-on skills, gain experience, optimize your resume, network, and prepare well for interviews. These are the things that hiring managers tell me they want. Now, if you found this helpful, hit that like button. It helps more people see this advice, and subscribe for more recruiter insight. Oh, one last thing. What's the biggest hurdle in your cybersecurity job search? Share it in the comments. I'm reading everyone and I can reply with tailored tips. Also, other people in the community would love to see this. Thanks for watching. And as always, keep leveling up your career and I'll see you all in the next one.